Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you about the uses of count, count A and count blank in Excel. Count formula is specially designed for count number of a specific data, but it ignores text and other non-numeric data. Alright, let me show you with an example. You can see I have a data here and let me put formula here, count formula. To start any formula, as I told you before, we'll start with equal to sign, then formula name is count. Now press tab, it will open the bracket. Now it is asking to select a range. So let me count here. I have selected this per day salary by pressing left key of mouse and drag down. Alright, let's see. Now close the bracket. What we get, you can see we have got 5 because as I told you, count only counts numeric in cell. So there are 5 numeric in cell, 1 2 3 4 5. This is count. It will count the cell. If you have a cell and in that cell how many numbers, only it will count the numbers, how many numbers you have. It will only count that cell numbers. If I make any changes, it will not count. Let me do it again with another data. Like we'll do the same, equal to count. You can either double click or tab. Now bracket is open. Now let me see if I select this data from both numeric and text both, and let's see what it counts. See, you can see it has only counted numeric value. It did not count this alphabets present and these things, and it will also not count any blank cell. Like if I delete this 5, you can see it will show now 5 only because I have deleted one of the number. Now let me try to add again 5 and let's see. You can see it got changed to 6. So now I hope you have understood this, and it will also not remember this. It will also not count any blank cell. Let me delete this. It will not count this cell. So now it's 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5. So function will only count numeric. Alright. Now let's move to next one. You must be thinking, what is the difference between count and count A? Let me explain it for you. The count function is used to count a range of cells containing numbers or dates excluding blank. And what does we do with count A function? Count A function, on the other hand, will count everything: numbers, dates, text, or range containing a mixture of these items. However, count A does not count blank cells. It will not count blank cells. Apart from blank cells, it will count your text, your numbers, your date. Let me show you with an example for better understanding. So let me apply the formula here. As I told you, to apply any formula, either you can start with equal to or plus. You can also start with plus. Count A. This is count A, counter formula. Now tab. Now it is asking the value again. Let me do this for you. I need to select the both to show you. First, let me try with the this one, numbers. You can see it has counted the numbers is 5. And now let me do some changes. There is one more shortcut key, guys. To go to, if you have applied any formula and you want to make any changes to that formula, then just simply press F2. It will reflect the formula here. So I want some changes. Now let me select this one, numeric value also along with alphabets. Now let's see what value we get. So it is showing 11 now. Why? Because count A function has counted both the thing. You can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it has counted the numbers as also, and it has counted along with numbers. It has counted alphabets as well. So this is the difference of count in count and count A. In count A only numbers will be considered, and in count A your alphabet will also be counted. Like but it will not count the blank cell. You can see if I make any changes here, I delete this P, then it will get to 10. So this is the difference between count and count A. Alright guys, I hope I'm able to make you understand it in a better way with the examples. Let's move to the next one, count blank. Count blank is very simple. What count blank will do, the count blank function counts the number of cells in the range that does not contain any value. Cells that contain text, number, dates, error, etc. are counted. Only this will count blank function will only count the blank cells. If there is any error, any number, any alphabet, then it won't be counted. Let me show you. Again, I'm pressing equal to count blank. I'm pressing tab. So it has opened the bracket. Now I have to select the range where I have to count. It is very useful if you are working in your office data and you are looking for if I have missed any entry and you want to find out the blank cell, then this formula is used. You can see I have selected the range from this, and it will show me how many cells remain blank. Let me close the bracket. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope I'm able to understand. If I make any changes, then it will count the blank cell. Let me delete one, 5. Now it will show 7. Count blank will only count the blank cell in your data. That's all from my side today. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. If you learned something valuable, please do hit the like button. And more important, to support my work, please subscribe my channel. Have a wonderful weekend.